Sales? Marketing? Are they the same thing? It's a common question, and the confusion is real. But don't worry. In this video, we'll explain the real difference simply, especially for beginners. Let's meet Marketing Mary. Her job is to broadcast the message far and wide. She creates awareness, generates interest, and attracts potential customers. Think of her as building the audience and warming them up. So, Marketing Mary does things like market research, branding, advertising, and content creation. Her goal is to bring leads to the door. She sets the stage for potential customers to discover the business. Now meet Sales Sam. Once Marketing Mary brings leads to the door, Sam's job is to build a relationship, understand their specific needs, and help them make a purchase. He's the one who closes the deal. Sales Sam focuses on direct outreach, product demonstrations, answering specific questions, negotiating terms, and ultimately, asking for the sale. He turns interested people into paying customers, ensuring business success. So the real difference? Imagine fishing. Marketing is like casting a wide net to attract many fish. Sales is like carefully reeling in individual fish one by one. But here's the secret. Mary and Sam are best friends. Together, they make the business thrive. So, now you know the real difference between sales and marketing. Simple, right? If this helped clear things up, give us a thumbs up. Subscribe for more beginner-friendly guides. Any questions? Ask below.